the Ford alternator failed again. Now this is only a 60 amp alternator. I don't know why the alternators are failing on this F350. But what I do know is that I put a GM alternator on it. And now it seems to be working. See if I can get everybody in on this before I run out of time for the short. So there we have a GM style internally regulated alternator. And I'll have a longer video about this, but it'll be on my page. Pump the gas a couple times, turn the ignition on, and then let's see if it's charging. Yep.